Who didn't sleep for 4 days? This guy! Last week I made a page where you could put your information about an event and I was storing this in a database. But what I did the last 4 days will blow your mind. Boof, explosion. What I did is, first of all, passwordless authentication. You don't need any mail, password, combination, you don't need a wallet, just a link and you're getting directly into the app. Pretty good. And that's about it. No, tons of other stuff. Profile pages, NFT ticket pages, and more importantly, smart contracts. I have made an epic, amazing, fantastic smart contract. A whole video is coming about it. So you could buy NFTs, sell NFTs, you can manage them, you can pull your money out. And more importantly, now we have Web3 JS integration, which means the frontend talks with the backend and you could mint the NFT. You'll see, like, you create the NFT, no wallet, nothing at all, and automatically, pop, you have an NFT posted on the blockchain. And you could also see it on OpenSea and sell it or whatever. And now you're asking me, John, you're doing this without a wallet. How is that happening? Hey, glad you asked. You're paying zero gas fees because I am paying everything, all the gas fees. Thank you, Polygon, for having super cheap gas fees, else I would spend tons of money. And the question is, what happens if I want to use, is it my own NFT? To have it connected to my email address? How's that work? I thought you never asked. You could always claim your NFT. You connect your MetaMask wallet and you have your NFT, you have full custody, you can do whatever you want. So what we made the last 4 weeks, and there are some minor glitches, some updates, is password authentication, smart contracts, connection of the frontend with the backend so you can mint an NFT without the need of wallet or any gas fees. You can claim an NFT, again, without a wallet. You just go there, you get a ticket, you get the NFT ticket, and that's about it. You don't need any wallet, it's under your account. Things that are missing, of course, things that I definitely need to work on. Some debugging, some more unit testing, UI. I'm going to redo the whole UI, this is just a placeholder. And of course there are some pages and some redirects that are not working as expected. What else? How could I forget that? Scanning. So in the next couple of days, scanning will be in place. You will be able to scan the tickets and the tickets will be enabled. The NFT metadata will change, meaning that when somebody logs in an event, you're going to see a new NFT. Your NFT will change in front of you, in front of your eyes. And I had coffee, as you can understand. I had coffee because it was long days here. So I had a long night, so I have to work on that. And what else is missing? Tons of other stuff. Thanks for watching. Hey, come on. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe because crazy stuff are coming. What else? Follow me on Twitter, say hi. And that's about it. See you tomorrow.